Alright guys, so I'm going to show the factory set your Galaxy earbuds. Make all the settings back to like when you first bought them. Now it's pretty simple, but you are going to need the app for it. Just go into the Galaxy wearable app. If you're on iPhone, it's the Galaxy Buds app. Then open up your earbuds case. Then click on earbud settings. Then click on reset. And just confirm. So yeah, really simple. Now you notice when you reopen the case, it's now asking to reconnect. So you know it's been factory reset. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope this helped out.